Welcome to the final video in the Getting Started series for Hub Business. In this video, we'll explore some key administrative tools, reports, resources, and settings that will help you streamline and personalize your Hub management. So now let's start in the administration section of our example Hub. In our previous videos, we covered vaults, users and groups, permissions, and even license management, but there are a few additional options worth highlighting. The first one is application identities. This is to allow access for various services like Hub reporting, PAM, and encryption, and for integrations with the PowerShell module. Then we have the password policies section. This is a great place where you can customize what default passwords and even passphrase rules you wish to enforce for entries throughout your Hub. Things can be easily customized and specified depending on your needs. Under the System Settings section, you can configure various custom options, control how Hub interacts with external tools, and even adjust basic policies. Next, in the Authentication section, we can configure how your Hub is accessed. Hub supports SSO via Okta and Entra ID Active Directory. This means that instead of using a Devolutions account to sign into Hub, the user will be presented with a Microsoft authentication screen first before accessing their Hub. We also integrate with SCIM SCIM provisioning to allow you to synchronize users and user groups from your current identity provider. Here you can see my synced user groups from my Active Directory. And below that, this is where you would set up the Hub encryption service if you wish to self-host your encryption key provider to give access to your Hub. Under the Administration tab, we also have a handy dashboard that displays various action items you may want to consider for improving your security posture. The recommendations here are based on NIST standards, but are entirely up to your discretion on how to handle them. They're simply guidelines to help you act more effectively. Now, depending on your solution package, it can also work seamlessly with Devolutions Gateway and Devolutions PAM. Let's break it down. The Devolutions Gateway acts as a secure tunnel to access segmented endpoints without a VPN. It allows you to launch RDP and SSH sessions directly from the web, no need to install any external clients. You can also enable live session recording for auditing purposes later on. If that's something that interests you, you'll definitely want to download and host your own gateway by clicking the Add button from within the interface here. Hub also offers Devolutions PAM for privileged access management. By connecting to your existing providers, you can secure access to critical accounts, automatically rotate passwords after use, and even enforce a checkout and approval process for added controls. If you'd like to learn more about the Devolutions Gateway or PAM and if it's right fit for you, just head on over to our website at devolutions.net. Next up, let's take a look at the reporting tools available in Hub Business. Let me walk you through a few of the key reports available in Hub. First, there's the Vault Permission Report. This one's super handy when you need to see exactly which vaults a user has access to. It's great for quick audits or when you're reviewing permissions across the team. Next is the Password Analyzer. This helps identify weak, reused, and outdated passwords across the Hub. Well, looks like Maurice has a few things that need some attention. Time for a little password spring cleaning. Then we've got the activity logs. These show you everything that's happened across all vaults, who did what and when. It's a great way to stay on top of changes or spot anything unusual. And finally, the User Activity Report. This one focuses on a specific user and shows you all of their actions and from which app they performed them from. It's great for tracking down issues or verifying user activity. All users, even non-admins, can access basic reports related to their own actions in their vaults. And finally, we've got the Help and Tool section, which gives you quick access to everything you need to keep things running smoothly. Here you'll find shortcuts to integrated products, import and export tools, and direct links to our documentation, where you'll find step-by-step guides for just about anything you want to do. You'll also want to check out the Devolutions Forum. It's a great place to connect with other Hub business users, ask questions, and even get insights directly from our developers, product leaders, and support team. So that's it. You've made it through the series and learned all the basics to get up and running with Hub Business like a pro. Now it's your turn. Let us know how it goes. We're here for you every step of the way. Thanks for watching.